OnePlus's next flagship, the OnePlus 15, is set to launch globally on November 13 in India. Following its debut in China, it features a bigger battery and sleek design with Snapdragon 8 Elite General 5 power. The US has granted India a 6-month exemption from sanctions on the Chabahar port, allowing it to continue investments and strategic access in Afghanistan amidst ongoing trade deal negotiations. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi criticizes PM Modi for building separate pool near Yamuna for Chhath Puja Deep, reiterating his criticism of Two Indias. Netflix officially released the final Stranger Things Season 5 trailer after an accidental leak, with fans dissecting the new footage for potential spoilers. State-run telecom operator BSNL has achieved 93% of its revenue target for the September quarter with an average revenue per user ARPU at 91 rupees, according to Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. Grammarly rebranded as Superhuman, launching new AI assistant Superhuman Go alongside existing products including Coder and email client Superhuman Mail. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah suggests employee termination cases be decided by courts, not based on suspicion. India granted temporary exemption from US sanctions to operate at Chabahar port in Iran, effective until March 2024. The Indian government has approved the terms of reference for the 8th Pay Commission, which will review salaries and pensions of government employees. The Delhi police has opposed bail to Umar Khalid and others in a conspiracy case, claiming they played a victim card with no grounds for bail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Bihar rally targets Rahul and Sonia Gandhi, saying the India bloc will be wiped out due to alleged insults towards PM Modi's mother and Rahul Gandhi's comments. US President Donald Trump commends India's efforts in reducing its purchases of Russian oil, calling it very good amidst US-led efforts to economically isolate Russia. Noted computer science professor Pedro Domingos predicts Salesforce will be the first major tech company disrupted by AI due to its superior data handling capabilities and tailored solutions. A Washington Post expose revealed LIC's investments in Gautam Adani's companies, but mainstream media has largely ignored the story, raising questions about its significance and substance. Some Indian companies have received licenses to import rare earth minerals from China, crucial for industries like electronics, renewable energy, and defense. Hyundai Motor India's consolidated net profit rose 14.3% year to 1,572 crore rupees in Q2, while revenue saw a 12% increase to 17,461 crore rupees, driven by festive demand. Maruti Suzuki unveiled its flex fuel variant of the Fronx, likely launching in India by 2026 now. The move is part of the company's eco-friendly efforts, following a shift to CNG and hybrid powertrains. A 38-year-old woman noticed a lump in her left breast through regular checks and sought medical attention. Beating aggressive breast cancer. A UCLA study suggests babies' gut microbiome may influence their risk of developing depression, anxiety or internalizing symptoms in middle childhood. Japanese scientists found compounds in henna could help treat liver disease by inhibiting scar tissue formation and repairing damaged livers. Research suggests exercising a few hours after studying can strengthen memory and improve learning. Comet 3i, Atlas is making a one-time pass through the inner solar system before heading into interstellar space, with NASA monitoring its peak outgassing activity. AI and machine learning has impacted biology and healthcare with applications in drug discovery, improved crop yields, and more. A free job preparation guide is now available for life science students. Scientists using a robotic explorer, Lassie, discovered thousands of fish nests hidden under ice in Antarctica's Weddell Sea, revealing a surprising ecosystem. Elon Musk's SpaceX reached a record milestone in 2025 with a rapid launch cadence and turnaround time, surpassing its 2024 total of 138 missions. A new species of prickle-nape lizard with sharp knife-like spines has been discovered in Vietnam's dense forests now. The lizard is a unique find, adding to the country's rich biodiversity. Microsoft has launched Miko, an animated AI companion designed to enhance interactions with Copilot by providing a more human and emotionally responsive experience. Samsung Wallet gets major upgrades in India, including UPI onboarding during phone setup and PIN-free biometric authentication for payments. OpenAI's new browser Atlas is a potential target for hackers, experts warn. Following the successful debut of ChatGPT in November 2022, YouTube's new Super Resolution feature uses AI to upscale low-resolution videos to HD and later 4K quality, enhancing the viewing experience for older content. The AirPods Pro 3 is facing a static noise controversy, with users seeking solutions online despite the earbuds' improved sound and health monitoring features. Former actress Mamta Kulkarni sparks outrage by claiming Dawood Ibrahim is not a terrorist and has never carried out bomb blasts in India. The Delhi High Court has refused to entertain pleas challenging the certification given to the film. The Taj Story, scheduled for release on October 31st, after petitioners sought to withdraw their petitions. Ek Deewane Ki Deewaniyat is gaining attention for its strong box office performance, needing only 52 crore rupees to be labeled a super hit. Shilpa Shetty's mother Sunanda was admitted to Leelavati Hospital after her daughter withdrew an overseas travel plea in a 60 rupees crore fraud case. Shavanand sports drama Biker to screen with Bahubali, backed by UV Creations and directed by Abhilash Reddy Kankara. Love SSERAFIM's new video has sparked divided reactions over its timing following the court ruling in favor of Ador against NJZ, formerly known as New Jeans. Bollywood star Karan Johar celebrated Ananya Pandey's 27th birthday with a midnight party, joined by Suhana Khan and Shania Kapoor. Baramulla trailer reveals a supernatural thriller about missing children in Kashmir amidst stone-pelting protests. In a Netflix film, China urges the US to earnestly abide by the global nuclear testing ban, following President Trump's order for weapons testing. A tense moment unfolded at a US university event when an Indian-origin woman student asked pointed questions to Vice President J.D. Vance about the Trump administration's immigration stance and his interfaith family background. The Afghan Taliban has released a confession video of a captured Pakistan-based ISIS fighter, detailing cross-border recruitment and terror training linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba. Pakistan admitted a secret deal with the US on using drones over Afghanistan, causing peace talks to collapse after Afghan negotiators demanded written guarantees against drone strikes. The US Department of Homeland Security has ended the automatic extension of work permits for spouses and students of H-1B holders, affecting thousands of people. The US has reached a tariff reduction breakthrough with China but is struggling to secure a trade deal with India, which, like Beijing, resists pressure and is not rushing to agree. Lebanese President Joseph Aoun orders the army to confront Israeli military incursions after a deadly raid in southern Lebanon kills a municipal employee. Abhishek Nair, also UP Warriors women's team coach, has been appointed Kolkata Knight Riders head coach ahead of IPL 2026. Bayern Munich wins DFB Pokal match against FC Köln 4-1, securing a hard-fought victory despite the home side's efforts. World chess champion Magnus Carlsen secured an overall victory in the Champions Showdown with a strong four-quarters start, impressing with his adaptability and performance. A 17-year-old cricketer, Ben Austin, has died after being hit in the neck with a ball during practice in suburban Melbourne, Australia. Real Madrid has welcomed a Spanish court's decision to dismiss UEFA's appeal in the Super League case, stating that it upholds EU law. Women's OD World Cup 2025. Ind beats Oz by 5 wickets. Advances to final. Smriti Mandhana falls as India W reach 132-2 in 22 overs against Australia in a Women's OD World Cup semi-final. The IPL 2026 auction will reportedly take place between December 13 to 15. As CSK, ME, RCB, RR, LSG, SRH, PBKS, KKR, GT, and DC prepare for major changes.